Don't you hit that thing. Guys, today we're in Marion, North Carolina. We're here at the Comfort Inn. And behind the Comfort Inn they have a walking trail of some sort. We're going to go check it out and see what it's all about while we're here. And we'll see if it's worth checking out or not if you ever stop by here in the area. So you either like it or you don't have to waste your time. We're going to check it out. Let's go do it. Here you go. Here you go. The first I've heard of that one. Yeah, pissed on that, ain't it, Max? Y'all gotta stop causing all this trouble this morning.
Well, we're just full of it.
You are.
Better him than I.
Huh.
Not again.
All right. I see water. Lots of water.
Oh, wow. Oh, that's through there.
Yeah. That's definitely.
Oh, I bet that was part of the washout from the storm. It probably wasn't quite like that.
I don't know.
Summertime time.
Let's walk this little loop around area. It's like a little seating area for whatever, I don't even know. This creek looks interesting though.
It sure does.
Whoop. Uh-oh. You got a rope? You can go jump in.
Oh boy.
Look at that. Take you a dip.
Ooh. I'm sure it's not cold at all.
Take you a dip. There's two of them. Y'all want to go swimming? There's some rock outcroppings over here. This is neat though. This is nice. It's pretty. Very pretty. Very pretty. Oh, I know where I want to be. I want to be over them gravel bars over there. That's where I want to be.
Uh-huh. I'm stumped.
Now that was a big tree.
Yeah, it was.
Lauren's stumped now. Here's my gravel bar. Over there. I want my gravel bars. Hey, we got rain cover if it rains.
Yeah,
Right here.
well, it is
Starting to drizzle a little bit, isn't it? Dude, that's washed out down there. Murky turkey. Everything washing down through this pipe there. Whew. Ooh-wee. Money? Oh, making some money. Making
25-cent richer.
making that money today out on the trail.
I haven't seen that one before.
Gotta get that money. Look at her. She wants to get that money now. Oh, there you go. Look at you.
Huh?
I said, just look at you. Do it?
So it's funny how it can seem a little difficult when there's a little height involved.
Yeah. A little height involved. Matt said he gonna leave you. Just look at that beauty. It's kind of nice. I'm not a fan of concrete, but there she goes again. Nothing but that go kid. No. That's a small one, isn't it? That's short.
That's perfect.
No. It's not perfect.
Huh?
It's not perfect. Ah,
It
see.
is perfect.
You need just a little more height. Them legs was all cock bent. They needed to be, About hurt yourself. You're gonna drop your phone out and break it right out your back pocket.
It's tight.
Yeah. Look at that.
The pipe's busted out right there.
Yeah. That's where you had that slip and fall. That slip and zip.
Ooh. Take out some teeth. Okay, what am I supposed to do with this one?
Hey, look at that. There's a piece of ramp. The what you call it?
Oh yeah, a little wheel chop.
Wheel chop, yeah.
Probably from an RV somewhere.
In the trees, so I guess that was from the hurricane. I guess. See something over there looks interesting.
Oh, this is wet.
Yeah, it is.
It's soaking wet.
Get you wet too.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh.
This man. Nasty.
What you think, Max?
It's just become. I got to do every obstacle on the course.
Oh boy, it's taller than it looked from over. As long as I don't slip. Ooh. Oh, this is gonna be so cold and wet.
Oh, come on. All you got to do is step over.
Yeah, I know, but gotta kind of squeeze it there.
Cold and wet.
Huh?
Cold and wet, huh?
It is. I did it.
Come on, Max. 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 Come on. Where we going? Where we going? Where we going? We're going to the next one. Oh, oh.
Oh no.
That's going to get you wet there.
Oh.
It might be fun, but that gets you wet. You doing it?
I don't know. If I fail miserably, you gotta cut it out.
Nope, I will not. Not ever.
Oh no.
We ain't fakers around here.
I didn't say fake it, just omit. Oh, it's been too long.
Go. Let's go fast.
Oh, it's slippery. Oh! Oh, one more. Got it! Really? Oh, this one. Wait, Max! Oh!
This is where we're probably going to have to turn around for now. But
Because I'm about to break my neck.
she's about to break her neck. No, we got some other things we got to do. This is not even on our list. This is one of those we just on a whim are doing. Let's see if Lauren can bounce on these mountains. I can't. I probably can. I used to probably could. Not anymore. They wet too. So I mean, if you don't do it, if you you know,
Oh, it can be done.
that's easy, huh?
Yeah, it's not too bad. I can't go from one to the next, though.
Not too bad, huh? Uh-oh, I don't know. I can't stand up here. Okay. Oh no! I definitely can't. Oh.
You did it!
Oh!
That third one was tough.
Yeah.
Whew. Well, we didn't die.
No, we didn't die. I just want to check out. Well, you got one more obstacle.
Oh.
Nah. Nah. There. See, that's the one you should spin on. See, that's the right size. That one there. That one you want. You can just.
I can't get my tummy up on there.
Yeah, you can. You get up there. Boy, it's wet now, but yeah, you could.
I can't jump that high.
But don't do it. Don't do it.
Oh, it's too slick.
Yeah. See? You got it up there. See?
Did I
Your
leave my
butt's still
phone
there.
right
Your butt's still there. Yeah, you left your phone.
I left my phone on a post somewhere.
Yeah.
I better go find that.
See, that one's more fun, huh?
It is. Come on, Max.
And this is where the drag strip.
And where it is.
This is like a plane hangar. You know what I'm saying? This is where you better be taking off by here, buddy. Yeah. I'd say if you're staying here in Marion, or right outside of Marion here at the Comfort Inn, and you ain't got nothing else better to do, it's probably a neat little walking trail. I'd do it. I'd finish it up. She just found her phone way down there. That's where she left her phone. Ha! Yeah. Oh my goodness. At least we didn't leave that. You didn't even realize you'd left it, did you? Yeah.
I was like, oh wait, I don't have to worry about my phone falling out? What happened?
Yeah.
Come on, Max.
So we're back. We're back. We decided to come back after we got done at the Crabtree Emerald Mine. We'll go ahead and slip that in so anybody watches this and we'll know. But yeah, we just got done there and we decided we'd come back and see if we could finish this up. And it's sunny now.
It's beautiful right now.
It's beautiful right now. And we'll see what the rest of this little walking path, trail, whatever you
Show
want
them
to
the
call it.
view.
I'll think about showing it to them. There it is. There's that view. Look at that. In all its glory, huh? Yeah. It's pretty cool.
Not too bad.
Not too bad at all.
Don't forget the river over there.
Can't see it. Now you can see the river. Isn't that pretty cool? This is kind of nice now, kind of nice. You got a little deck. Got a little deck. What do you think they got the deck for? Observation.
Ducks in the summertime?
Oh,
It's-
man.
Oh, I'm sure they have lots of fish. Trout run through here.
Whew. Sandbar. Yeah, look at that, boy. We can. There he is. There he is. The rock hounds are out. The rock hounds are out. They can't help themselves. See? Can't help themselves when they see them rocks.
Nope. Sure can.
Don't know what that's about. I don't know if it's. Maybe it does circle around right there, loops. Huh? Maybe it loops. We don't know. But look, it is pretty. It's an easy trail,
It is.
I would say. So if you're looking for something that ain't too hard, easy walking path. I mean, look, you
Pretty
got
clean too.
concrete. I mean, asphalt. So yeah, it's really pretty. Very pretty. Hey.
So y'all having so much
Yeah.
fun.
You gotta meet.
Yeah, it's a nice day for
Come on,
taking
buddy.
It
a cold
is.
fog, yeah.
I know.
I know, yeah, exactly. Hey.
Excited.
Thank you.
Daniel, right? Is that a cocker spaniel?
Cavalier, yeah.
Cavalier. Oh.
Cavalier and cocker. Yeah.
man.
Do it again. Here we find ourselves.
Amongst the rocks.
No guarantees. Some pretty rocks either way. If you really just like rocks, there's just all kinds of,
Plenty to look at.
neat stuff. Neat rocks. Some shell. Some crystals would be nice. Wouldn't they? Oh yeah, some glass. I always got some glass of some sort. Look at that.
Green
Some white
or milk glass.
milk glass. Yeah. Oh boy. Take some of my socks. look at that. Oh, there you go. Check that out. That's cool.
Come on.
Yeah. Well.
Another happy pup.
Is that a Brittany?
He's a cockaleer.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Oh, see, yours has got a beautiful haircut. Mine needs one.
He just got his. He needed
Yeah.
It looks fresh. Very nice.
Fortnite.
Very nice. Y'all have a nice one.
So we're on the other side of the trail here. Loops around that way. And the rock quarry's over there. And Lawrence is itching. She was thinking about sneaking. I think she's thinking about sneaking off through there. And
They won't notice.
you know, seeing if she can go find anything.
I know they got rocks.
That they do. That they do have rocks. Yeah. Yeah. There's always something to show, see? Always something. We dried up area of the pond. And some rowdy teens ahead of us. I think they're teens anyway. I could be wrong, but I think they are. At least they're out here walking,
We got to
Doing-
get around to the other
do-
parking area.
doing something. Oh, okay, we're at the end of the road here.
You didn't know her.
You need to
Yeah, we
use
gotta
the
keep
bathroom?
going
There you
that
go
way.
if you want to take a bathroom break.
There it is.
Okay, yeah. So this is parking lot number 2. It's got 2 parking lots. You can park here or the other. Wow. Well, look at there.
Look at there.
I guess this time it's really going to be the end of the video.
Oh, I guess so.
Yeah, I guess
Oh,
so.
boy.
Yeah. Because we made it to the end, so there you
Oh,
go.
there's your fish.
Yeah. Look at that. It's pretty neat. Well, we're going to have to make our way back around, but this time we'll really see you on the next one.